Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share my fall night routine. And yes, this is fall in Southern California. People ask me if I'd ever move. No, like why? Look how beautiful it is. It's still so warm out. And it's been really important for Ryan and I, especially with being home for so long and everything else, to find moments where we can get out, not only to get outside, but just to feel a little sense of normalcy, soak up, date nights together, and even in the middle of the week, like not just saving that time for the weekend. So this is our favorite spot. It's the closest beach to us, and it is just so perfect, so easy to get to. And look at this view. Like, it is unreal. So this fall especially, while we have a little chance to still sneak in like sunsets before it's dark at 5 o'clock, we've been trying to come down at least once a week, usually in the middle of the week, again, just to kind of help break it up and not feel like, oh, we're just waiting for the weekend to have those date nights. So I'll pack up a little picnic. We'll head on down. Tonight I actually did my hair and put on real clothes instead of just being in my workout outfits. And I worked really hard to get up early this morning so that I could make this time happen. And that's the thing is sometimes you just have to sacrifice sleep or adjust your schedule a little bit to make time for the important stuff. And this is so important for us. So I packed up snacks. I have cheese and nuts and dried fruit and a little cocktail because it's date night. Why not? And I'm so grateful for this time, and we'll usually stay just past sunset a little bit. But it's just nice because we can have our own space, enjoy each other, catch up on things just in life that aren't work related. We're together 24/7. But it's just really important for us. All right, so once the sun is about down, it is time to head home and finish up the rest of the night. It is still starting to get dark early, which I hate so much. I wish we could just keep it like this though, where it's dark at 6:30 and we just keep it instead of falling back in time, but it's coming. I'm just trying to soak it up while I can. I have not figured out how to get my wreath on my door because it's such a narrow little area. We used to have a nail in there. I don't know what happened to it, and I tried to put a new one in. It's not happening, so it's on the floor for now. But I'm going to do a little dinner prep really fast. So tonight I'm going to make my white chicken chili. If you guys haven't tried this recipe, it's on the blog. I'll link it down below for you as well. I'm adding some extra veggies to it. And that's the thing that's so great about soups, and especially with any of my recipes. I make them really easy so you guys can make them and not feel like it's a burden, but also you can get fancy with them and add some different stuff to them depending on what flavors you like. I hate cutting onions so much, so I always get Ryan to help me out. And this is great too because I'm going to do it in the Instapot, and it just is really good when you're short on time or you don't feel like doing a whole big old 10-pot dinner, which whoever feels like that. But I'm adding some rice to it, some white beans, and it's just going to be a very hearty but very healthy stewy chili that also is going to last us a couple days, which is my favorite because then I won't have to make lunch tomorrow or dinner the next day. So it's super easy. I just will use a little saute to start and put the onions and garlic and all the things in there. And then add the rice and the beans and the chicken and season it up. I usually will use just salt and pepper, and then if I have any extra spices, but I put a lot of peppers in this one, so I'm gonna just wait to add any additional spices until it's all cooked up, because you can always add flavor in, but you can't really take it back. So I like to start lighter and then go from there. So it just goes in the Instapot for about 12 minutes. That's it, you guys. It's so fast, so easy. I absolutely love that. So as that's getting started, I'm going to kind of go through some of my night routine, just washing my face first. If you guys follow on Instagram, I've been sharing Curology a lot. I've been using them the last 3 months about. My skin has changed so much. I was getting maskne, is that how you say it? The mask acne and other stuff. And I'm not used to breaking out like that, so I needed something a little extra, and Curology really does it. So I'm so excited that they're sponsoring this video so I can share my whole routine with them. Just doing a double wash because it's also taking off my makeup, scrubbing it off. And it's so nice. It doesn't dry out your skin. It's unscented. It's just really clean feeling for that wash. So changed my jammies, my little cozies, and then washed my face. And now I'm gonna do something I do once a week, and it is seriously a game changer for my skin. I've shared this Vanity Planet Expora personal microdermabrasion wand before. It is so amazing. Like I said, I do it like once a week. So you put in like a fresh little filter pad. There's all of these different heads that you can choose from, and it's really great in helping to like reduce and prevent acne. So this combination of my Curology and this have just, my skin is like completely different than it was 3 months ago. So this thing is really, really cool because it helps get rid of like all the dead skin. It gets rid of impurities that can clog your pores and that stuff that like leads to inflammation and weird spots. And it can also even lighten, like if you have hyperpigmentation, like kind of those dark spots or acne scars, it can really help get rid of those too. And there's like massaging ones. It can help promote collagen. And this one's for your body. So I don't just do it on my face. I actually use it on my body as well. And it'll help like reduce fine lines and wrinkles. There are so many benefits. And again, with like all the different tips, you can really customize it for you. Plus, it also helps your skincare absorb better. So I have 60% off for you guys. The code's LSF Derm. I'll put it down below. Make sure you go and get this thing. You will not regret it. It's amazing. So like I said, when you use that Expora, it really does help with absorbing all of your skincare. So this is my custom Curology. So basically they analyze your skin and then they connect you with a dermatology provider that makes a custom prescription for you. So it's like just for you, for your skin type. It's not just for acne. It also can help with preventative skincare. But I absolutely love that like it's custom, and if I need to adjust it, I can message with my provider and they can adjust it if I need it more intense or less intense. And then there's a moisturizer that's really, really good for like deep hydration, but it doesn't clog your pores, which for me is so important because I have that dry skin, but I also am prone to those breakouts. And you can get your first month free. It's only $5 for like less than $5 for shipping and handling. If you want to try the Curology, it's those 3 steps. So the cleanser, then your custom, and then like the custom cream, and then your moisturizer. So definitely recommend it. I'll put the link down below for that for you guys because I swear to you, look at that photo. Like my skin has completely transformed. All right, so dinner. We've got my chicken. I'm gonna shred it up really quickly because I just like it. Like obviously you can just throw it in the bowl as a whole chicken and then shred it as you go, but I think it just tastes better and it soaks up all the flavor more. So shred it up, and look how good this looks. Like I didn't have to do much work at all. I chopped up some veggies and stuff. I threw it in the Instapot. And again, this recipe's on the blog for you guys, so go check it out. Topping it with avocado to get some more healthy fats, and just because I freaking love avocado. And then I have like some lime, some cilantro on the side. We had some gluten-free cornbread left over from my macho salad a few weeks ago that I had in the freezer. So I pulled that out and it was so, so good. It was very spicy, so I'm glad I didn't add any more spice to it. And then I make some tea a little bit after dinner. So this is like kind of a holiday one. I think my mom got it for me last Christmas, but it just smells like fall and is like so lovely. So, so, so good. And then for a little treat, these are the little like Reese's peanut butter copycat healthy treats that I made on Instagram Live a couple weeks ago. So we've just been enjoying those. They stay in the fridge for about a week, so it's great. I just have made a few times. And then I'll do some foam rolling and check my phone a bit, just like any last minute emails or stuff like that I need. But if you guys haven't gotten the LSF 2-in-1 foam roller yet, like, what are you waiting for? It is so magical. It has that soft inner roller that's like really great for your neck and more sensitive areas. And the outer roller is so incredible for more of that deep tissue massage, which I need in my booty so bad. And then I like to just like set a vibe at night. So I swap my candles in and out depending on my mood, depending on if it's morning or night. So this one's kind of a vanilla-y one. So I'll get that going while I brush my teeth. And then I actually have a new thyroid medication that I have to take twice a day, which has been really hard. Like I never remember to take it at night. I'm trying to be really good about it. So I did it tonight. Woohoo! But taking it twice a day is challenging. I'll do my lip mask and some essential oils just to, again, like it's all about setting that vibe and mood. And I have my 2021 goals planner. And even though I can't plan in it yet because it's not 2021 yet, There are so many great resources in the back, like nighttime stretches, how to relax. Like there's a ton in here for you girls that you can use right now. And then you have it ready to go when 2021 hits to set your best goals and crush your year. There's vision boarding in here. There's a gratitude journal. There's DIY face mask. Like, I mean, this is more than just a goals planner or like a schedule. This is about your whole life, your fitness, your nutrition, self-care, everything you need in one planner. So I'll link that down below too, because they're selling out fast. And then last thing I'll do is some of those stretches that I showed you in the planner. So some from my neck and my back, just to help relax my body before spending the next 8 hours just laying like a log asleep in bed. And then I'll turn down the lights again. I have this little air filter I've been using that has a night mode that's really great. And it just helps keep the air nice and clean in your room and in your space. And once that puts it on, it also has like a nice, like very subtle white noise, which helps me sleep a little bit better. And that's my whole night routine. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what a typical night looks like for me. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends. I cannot wait to see you next week.